So according to Social Blade, this channel makes between 2.6k to 41k US dollars and also has 10 million views in the last 30 days. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to create videos like this and upload them on YouTube.
Now, for the first step is how do we source the facts? So, you can probably, maybe you know some facts that I write, but to get these facts, you can go to ChatGTP. When you go to ChatGTP, you say, ask it a question like, give me 5 facts about best friends. Now ChatGPT will generate different facts for us. Like this first one, you say best friends are known for their strong and enduring bond. They share deep connections built on trust, loyalty, and mutual understanding. So we're going to copy from here to here because we're going to make this video snappy because it is a short. So we'll copy, move over to the second step, which is we need a video playing on the background. So for this, we go to pixels.com. When you go to Pixel, you click here to change it to video. Then maybe you search for nature, or no, let's search for people, because we are talking about best friends. Let's just search for people. So look for a particular one here, like this guy standing at the beach now. It will suit us for that particular fact. So we click here and choose the standard we want to download it. So I'll go for this HD 640 x 360. So you download this. Now we're going to make a YouTube short, and that video, like this video now, it is in a, like it, the 16 by 19 form or something like that. But for YouTube short, it's 9 by 16. So when we get to CapCut, that is where we edit it. At the third step, we'll know how to zoom it and make it that 9 by 16. So when you click on new project, you import the video you just downloaded from pixels.com. Then you add it. Now this form is for the video is now is for long form videos. So we're going to click it and remove any sound that comes with the video. That is, click on volume and take it to 0. Now the video is silent. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to change the format of the video. So we're going to put it to 9 by 16 instead of 16 by 9. So we zoom it, and now you see it is now in form of shorts. So let me play this video. Now this is not actually bright. When you're doing your own, just look for a particular bright video that looks beautiful, so that is attractive, that will keep people watching. Now it's time to add the facts. So first thing we write is facts about best friends. So write facts about best friends. Now we're going to change the style and the effect. So first of all, change the fonts. So we can put this, make it smaller, put it here. And now facts about best friends. Let's make it a little bigger. So let's change the context. It's now beautiful. Facts about best friends. So when it plays like this, then when it stops, come with just number 1. You might probably not know, we just copy and paste. That is, paste what you copied from ChatGTP. So it's going to be here. Now it's going to come out in 2 different forms. That is, the first part to come out, then the second part is going to come out. So this place there is a full stop. We're going to copy from there is a connection and trust. So we cut it off here and just leave this one. Little adjustments. To scroll it down. Now you can change the font to any other font you want. We go for this italics. Yeah, you can also change the color to probably, let's go for blue and white. Just any color that just makes sense to you. So you can see we have like facts about best friends. You need to go, and this one will appear. Then so the viewers understand that the video is still going on. You can put like double dots here. Then When this one finishes, we're going to duplicate this, yes, and take it to the other part. Then here we'll insert the remaining part of our video. The remaining part of the text we copied from ChatGPT, that is remaining facts. So we're going to cut it out and paste the remaining one. We have just adjust this a little, adjust it again. You see. So these are facts about best friends. Then the first one will come: our best friends are known for their strong bond and enduring condition, and they share deep connection. So trim this down to this place. Now we are done. You see, you can produce the video is just 10 seconds. Now this video, according to the video you just saw, that is making around 2.6k US dollars every month. There are musics in their background, but now we are not going to add musics here, because any music you download, probably they might get copyright claim, even from the pizza house, or probably all these sites are claiming that their videos don't have copyright claim. So to avoid that, just export the video raw like this. Then when you are trying to post it on YouTube, you're going to see a part where you can add music. Then you can add those musics. YouTube used to allow, in short, YouTube used to allow people to add something like 10 to 30 seconds music without any copyright claim. So that is what the channel I just showed you. That is what they are doing exactly. So when they are going to post, they will add the music from the YouTube studio. So thanks for watching, and I hope you start. Just start. Yeah, start it. It's not that complicated. You can just, maybe on your way back from work, you can just do this within 5 seconds. No, probably within 5 minutes. I'm sorry, or 10 minutes. You have produced like 2 or 3 of them. No big deal here. Yeah, thanks for watching. Bye. I see you.